Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. Today, we can discuss the third lesson in our grammar textbook, that is, articles. You are very much familiar with this topic, right? What do you mean by articles? Articles are the words we use before a noun. Articles are the words we use before a noun. It acts as a modifier. We use articles to denote whether a noun is specific or general. We use articles to denote whether a noun is specific or general. Let me share some examples. This is a chair. This is a chair. I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant. I need the green apple. I need the green apple. Did you notice the words which I used before the nouns? I used the word a before the noun chair and before the noun elephant. The before the noun green apple. The words a and the are the articles. So which are the three articles? A, and the. These three articles are divided into two categories: definite and indefinite. The is the definite article. A and an are the indefinite articles. What is the difference between the usage of definite and indefinite article? We use the definite article the to denote a specific or a particular noun. We use the indefinite articles a and an to denote a general noun. Let me explain this through an example. You can see some chilies in my hand. One among them is red in color. Rest of them are green. So if you need the red chili, you can say, I need the red chili. I need the red chili. So here you are denoting a particular chili, that is red in color. Then if you need any of these green chilies, you can say, I need a green chili. I need a green chili. Here we are not referring or we are not denoting a particular or a specific chili. So one among them, any of the green chili. At the same time, if you need a chili from this group, that means whether it is green or red, you can say, I need a chili. So you are not specifying the color of this chili. You need one among this group. That is the difference between definite article and indefinite article. We know that a and an are the indefinite articles, but there is a difference in the usage of these articles. What is that? Yes. We use the indefinite articles a and an before singular countable nouns because a and an refers one in number. For example, an apple, an orange, a book, a table. We use the definite article the before both singular as well as plural nouns. Example, the apple or the apples, the orange or the oranges, the book or the books. We know that a and an are the indefinite articles, but there is one difference in the usage of a and an. We use a before consonant sounds, the words which starts with consonant sounds, and we use an before vowel sounds. We know that there are 26 alphabets in English. Among them, 5 are vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. We use the indefinite article an before these vowel sounds. Example, an apple, an orange. Apple starts with the vowel sound A and orange starts with the vowel sound O. We use the indefinite article A before consonant sounds. Rest of the 5 letters are known as consonant sounds. So we use the indefinite article A before consonant sounds. Example, a pen, a pen, a book, a book, a chair, a chair. That is the difference between the usage of a and an. We use an before vowel sounds and a before consonant sounds. Let's learn more about definite and indefinite articles.
Some words may begin with a vowel that has a consonant sound. In such cases, we use a before the words. Examples, I saw a one-legged bird near the river. My father's friend lives in a European country. The pronunciation of one begins with the sound of the letter W. That means W. The sound is W. The pronunciation of European begins with the sound of the letter Y. That is Y. Some other words are unity, unique, unicorn, etc. All these words starts with the letter U, but its pronunciation is Y. Some words may begin with a consonant that has a vowel sound. Examples, we can trust Sahil because he is an honest man. The man who lives next door is an MLA. The pronunciation of honest begins with the sound of the letter O because H is silent. The pronunciation of MLA begins with the sound of the letter A in M. Some other words are MP, our, honorable, etc. Let's listen the usages of indefinite articles. When we refer to the habitual occurrence of something. Example, Rita travels to Coimbatore once a month. When we refer to the entire class of something, meaning all or any. Example, a camel can survive without water for at least a month. Means all camels or any camel. When we speak of a profession or occupation. Example, Mr. Mankeshkar is a teacher. When a countable noun follows the word such. Example, Kunal is such a sincere student. When an adjective is preceded by so. In such a case, the indefinite article is placed between the adjective and the noun. Example, I have never come across so barren a field. With words or phrases such as little, few, thousand, dozen, quarter and lot of. Example, Meena bought a dozen mangoes yesterday. We can discuss more about the definite articles in the next class. We have some textual activities related to the indefinite articles. Page number 23, activity A, and page number 24, activity B. Do it yourself. The answers of these activities are attached with the notes. Check it. Before that, please do these activities yourself. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with the continuation of this topic. I wish a healthy, happy and prosperous Onam to all of you. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.